Hi, I'm Marielle from Magical Daydream, and I'm on a mission to make my house super cute and happy and magical, and I'm sharing the process with you guys. One of the first spaces that I want to tackle is also one of the tiniest spaces in our home, the toilet. And although we already did most of the hard work, there's still some finishing touches that I think will make the place just a little bit more happy. I've been thinking about using the small nook that we created and painting it with a happy yellow color, since we also have the red and yellow and white tiles on the ground. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on paint, so my first idea was to buy one of these testers. So they had two yellow types. I thought they were too greenish. Instead, I would like a bit of a warmer tone. I found this tiny tube, this thing, which you can just basically add to any type of paint. So I basically just used the white paint that we have on the walls as a base for that. The yellow was a very light faded, so I ended up adding some acrylic paint to the mixture, which I'm not sure is the best thing to do, but hey, it worked and it got the job done. I'm about to paint this little nook in yellow. I'm a little bit scared to mess it up, but also excited. For the finishing touches, I'm thinking maybe a plant or a little artwork or frame. I have this huge bag of frames that are still filled with pictures of mine and Johan's childhood. We use them for our wedding. I'm trying to see if we can repurpose some of the frames. Maybe I can use one of them for the toilet. I found a cute little print. It came with Flow magazine and it says "Offline is the new luxury." And I think it's a fun little print to put in the toilet. The toilet is sort of like a small offline moment. I don't know about you guys, but I always have my best ideas on the toilet, either toilet or shower. I'm thinking this could be a cute frame. Me, my sisters, and my brother. Aren't we cute? I bought the cute plant. I also have this empty can of apple syrup. We use this on bread. This one is still half full. I thought it might make a cute little plant holder, like a plant pot. So I'm gonna repot it. I hung a mirror, which is a super cute sort of sunshine mirror. The little edge where the tiles meet the wall isn't really finished yet. So we will be using some leftover plaster that again we have left over from plastering the walls in this home to make a sort of smooth edge. Then we will sand it and use our wall paint again to finish it off. Happy with how our toilet turned out. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process, and I'll be back soon with more projects, more house stuff. See you soon. And check out magicaldaydream.com for more happiness, rainbows, sparkles, home projects, random acts of kindness, other Just stuff. Just stuff. Check it out.